Hi all and welcome to my transit camper van build. It's been a little while and I apologise for that yet again, but life gets in the way and you don't always have time. I have a few videos that I've taken and pictures and things that I have to edit and put together, so if you look out within the next week or so there should be some more videos coming very soon. And anyway, back to this one. Right, today I'm going to show you how I altered my front grille on my van. Or modded my front grille, whichever way you want to call it. This is how I changed my grille from this to this. Let me show you how I did it.
The first thing I did was remove the bumper and the grille. It's all one piece and held in by a few bolts. I then marked up where I wanted to cut. And removed the lights from the bars that I'm cutting off. I then flipped the bumper over, and as you can see it's held on by a series of round little clips all the way around it. I found all these clips and removed them, which made me able to remove the whole plastic grille from inside. I then flipped it back over and got my multi-tool out. The first cut, there's no going back now, and the second cut, and then I cut the bars off, which left that. As you can see, from where I cut the bars, it was a bit jagged and a bit rough, so that would need some sorting. I got my sander out with some 80 grit paper on it and start to sand off all the rough bits. While I had the sander, I also sanded a couple of scratches that I had in my bumper at the same time. I sanded everything till it was very smooth and flat, and then I mixed up some fiberglass filler and some P38 and applied to all the rough bits and where I'd cut. Then I did some more sanding, retouched up the filler and sanded some more. I tried the grille in for size so I could cut it to make it a good fit, and as you can see it looks very good in my opinion. I then got the primer out and sprayed all the bits that needed priming before I got the compressor ready to spray the thing blue. As you can see I sprayed the whole bumper, I sprayed the whole grille and the bumper parts. A couple of bits I wasn't happy with, so I resanded and resprayed. I think it looks very good. I also sprayed a wing that I had laying around with no dents and put that on my van. As you can see, the finished result, I think, is very nice.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and you can see I think it looks fine. And if you're interested, check out my channel for lots more videos on my van, and look out for some new videos coming soon. I've done a lot changes to my interior and added some things and took some things out, so that'll be there. So it is a bit patchy there and more pictures than video, because time's a bit short for me, so I was just taking pictures of things. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and if you do like it, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And any comments or questions, just put them down below and I'll answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.